Are you dreaming of a future in biotechnology? A future unlocked by cracking one of India's most prestigious exams? Your journey to success in GATE Biotechnology 2026 starts today. Welcome to Biopractify's Master GATE Biotechnology program, a 6-month, fully live, and interactive mentorship program designed to guide you step by step towards success. This is more than just coaching. It's a complete success system built on 3 pillars: deep conceptual clarity, rigorous practice, and a smart, proven strategy. With over 100 live sessions, 50+ tests, daily problem solving, and full-length mock exams, you'll prepare for every possible question with confidence. From biochemistry and genetics to bioprocess engineering and analytical techniques, we cover the entire syllabus in detail, ensuring you understand not just the what, but the why behind every concept. You'll also gain personal mentorship, dedicated doubt-solving support, and expert guidance for IIT and IISc admissions, everything you need to succeed. Normally priced at 30,000 rupees, enroll now for just 15,000 rupees with our early bird offer, valid only until August 10th. Seats are filling fast. This is your moment. Invest in your future today. Visit biopractify.com or call +9.